A train accident took place in the state of Odisha. Rajdhani Express train fell down in Kharagpur district. The accident happened during the night when the train got separated from the route. Many passengers were trapped in the train. Relief programs were quick and dozens of people were taken to hospital with injuries. Administrative officers and railway employees reached the spot and engaged in relief work. The investigation of the accident has been started. The number of injured and the cause of the accident are not yet known.